Alright, update on Bonfida. This is going to be a real quick one today, mainly because we've fallen through basically every single Fibonacci that we've got right now. If you've been watching my Bonfida videos, you know that I haven't made a video on this in maybe, it must have been like 2-3 weeks now, because we had this price target a long time ago. I think we were up here and we've been talking about this price target moving down to the lows at $1.34. We have been talking about this not since here. We've been talking about this for months, I swear. I mean, we were up here and I thought we were moving down to 134. I've been calling this for literal months. If you're an OG on my channel, Bonfida was one of the first cryptos that I started covering, and 134 has literally been my target for like a month or two now. We have finally come through it today. I do believe the bottom is near for Bonfida for a few reasons. Let's jump into it. On the higher time frames, we are having a macro market momentum shift on our oscillator, which is the squeeze mom. This is our momentum indicator. You can see the market moves in these waves, from these bullish waves to these bearish waves. And when these waves start to turn, dark green or dark red respectively, it means that either the bulls in green or the bears respectively in red are losing momentum, and we are about to move from a bullish wave to a bearish wave, or a bearish wave to a bullish wave. This is a big macro indicator. This is calling that the bottom is very, very near. However, like I said, this is a macro market indicator. It does not mean that we have found a bottom right now. In fact, I think because we've taken out this low, I almost think it's more likely we're going to come down and fill the 1.618 fib down here at $1.17. This would be another 9% drop. Nothing too crazy, I'm predicting. You can also see we have a low down here. So worst case scenario, I think Bonfida could potentially move down another 13%. Now, I am a big fan of Bonfida, don't get it twisted. If you're new to my channel, I am a huge Solana bull, and Bonfida is the naming service for Solana. I mean, if you want to get yourself a Solana domain name, Bonfida is the website to go to. So I'm very bullish on Bonfida in the long term. I've actually been looking at entering a trade on this, but I've been looking at entering a trade on this since I started covering this down in January and February. I mean, we were up here at $3.87. I'm still sitting on the sidelines, and obviously we've got much cheaper price targets. If you want, go back and check my videos in February and January. We were talking about me not wanting to catch the falling knife and me expecting a move down to here. I'm still not entering right now. I do believe there could be a slight pullback, like another 12-13%. However, bear in mind, I'm not like predicting this as the most likely scenario. In fact, for the past couple of months, I've been calling that we're coming down to sweep the lows at 134. We have done that. I am now pointing out there is a likelihood, there is maybe a 50% likelihood we could come back down and backtest these lows. I think these lows have to hold. I mean, if we don't hold these lows, we're pretty much screwed in my opinion. That is why I think we are going to hold these lows, and these momentum indicators are calling that we are about to have that shift from, potentially these levels, or perhaps we're going to have it anytime soon. So once again, I'm not trying to catch the falling knife on Bonfida. If we have a strong move down to 112 and a strong bounce, I might consider picking up some Bonfida. That is all I see for Friday today. As always, none of this is financial advice. This is just my opinion on the market. And as always, you've always got to do what's best for you. Cowboy out. Peace.